have started this new series, which is by the name of Breaking the Box. And the entire objective of starting this series was to create some good, exciting content and talk to founders. And you can see, and हम लोग वो founders तो देखते हैं जो सारे बड़े बड़े founders हैं, जैसे कुणाल शाह है, and there Ritesh Agarwal, who are the big founders, and everybody wants to get them on board at their channel. But these are the ones, these are the guys who have made it big. But apart from that, there are a lot of founders, lot of good people that are doing very good work on the ground. And this is going to talk about those founders. This is going to talk about those startups. This is going to talk about the stories of those founders and where they're coming from. And the idea and the concept behind naming it Breaking the Box was to, people keep on saying, and even if you'll keep on meeting people, they would say, think outside the box. But my question is, why do we really have to think outside the box? Why not break the box and think wildly of whatever ideas that can come in, that can jump in? And I think when you lose your thinking wild, it is when you start thinking of really exciting ideas. And people who are creating impact in this world are the people who are breaking this box entirely. And therefore, we have Puru with us, who runs a very interesting startup. And Puru is a very good friend. I've been knowing him for the past 1 year. And he has been doing a lot of exciting things. And right now, he is running his startup by the name of News. And a very interesting concept. So News is a news platform, but that news is delivered to you in the form of memes. So this combined memes and news. So something which people would say that it is very foolish, and which is very it's a joke, which is news, which is memes, and something which is very serious like news. So उसने दोनों को combine कर दिया, and he has started this platform. It's called News. So welcome, Puru. कैसा लग रहा है तुझे?
Hi. बस
बढ़िया. Puru, so tell us what is your story, and how did you get so crazy about coding, and how did you get so crazy about computers right from your childhood and beginning?
Yeah, so I always had मतलब हमेशा से coding computers तो पसंद ही था. I was born in the generation where computers were just coming up. तो बचपन में GTA खेल के ही बड़े हुए. तो computers was a part of life. And फिर 7th में they taught us HTML in school. And they just taught us HTML. HTML सिखाया फिर हो गया. But I decided कि this is something I like, so I went ahead and I learned many languages. So from 7th only I'm interested in this due to the first thing I learned at school.
But वो क्या मतलब, is it like जैसे कुछ लोगों के साथ होता है कि उनको कुछ चीज इंट्रोड्यूस होती है, so they start liking it right from the beginning. Was it like a love at first sight कि जैसे ही तूने देखा कि यार computer and is so exciting and things are happening, so was it like a love at first sight, or was it like कि ठीक है, there is something that has happened and धीरे धीरे वो तेरा interest बढ़ा?
Yeah, no, exactly. Definitely. It was definitely a love at first sight. Before also, like in 4th, 5th, जब websites देखता था तब I was thought कि कैसे बनानी है, कैसे से ढूंढता था, लेकिन couldn't find anything. But once I got that term कि HTML कुछ होता है, then I went ahead and just learned and bought books and just फिर चालू पड़ गया.
चलो, that's crazy, बहुत बढ़िया. And अब मुझे मतलब पक्का बताया, अगर तो किसी को बताता होगा that my startup is News and we are doing this thing, that we are delivering news in the form of memes, they would question you. They would say कि यार ऐसा कैसे कर रहे हो, या फिर what you are exactly doing, and question भी करते होंगे कुछ लोग. So how did you really come up with the idea of News?
Yeah, so even if you go right now on many meme pages or even on Instagram, बहुत सारे होंगे comments में जैसे कि आजकल तो मुझे news meme से ही पता चलता है or something like that. And I saw this one comment on Reddit and I was like, this could be something. I was looking for ideas. I mean, पूरे टाइम startup का ही सोचता रहता हूँ. So I was looking for ideas and I saw this comment. और फिर दूसरे दिन सोचा बना ही देते, लॉकडाउन ही है, नवरे ही पड़े, क्या कर लेंगे. तो then I just made the app in 2 days and gave it to all of my friends. And that's it. So I thought this could be something big.
All right. And how did you come up with such an interesting name, which is spelled as NYUS for everybody who doesn't really know? So it is called NYUS, and they have an Instagram page, NYUS _ memes. So how did you come up with that name exactly?
Yeah, so I mean, it's the most popular meme, I can say, the meme man. So the first time when you hear memes or you see something related to it, the first thing that pops into mind is the meme man. So we just thought, chalo, we are doing something crazy. We are changing the way news are seen. So let's just rename News.
All right. So we were having a conversation like a couple of days back and you said that people confuse news with Byju's a lot. Is
Yeah.
there plan of being acquired by Byju's at some point of time?
Yeah, हो जाए तो बढ़िया है. But yeah, the logo colors were very similar, and we also had the capital font. So I guess that's the reason many people thought they were the same thing, or at least it was a product of Byju's. So recently we changed the logo, we changed the colors. कि Byju's तो नहीं बनना. Plus अभी उसका negative PR चल रहा था. Many people saying they were doing fake ads. तब उसमें हम क्यों पकड़े जाए इसलिए तो let's just logo. I mean इतने लोगों को it wasn't a big brand कि अब logo change करने में बहुत सारे decision just मन हुआ एक दिन कर दिया. So that's the great part about being a startup. You can make fast decisions fast.
Agreed, absolutely. So we have a rapid fire for you, and I want you to answer जितना जल्दी हो उतना जल्दी हो. सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. जैसे जो भी चीज फर्स्ट आए ना दिमाग में वो बोलनी है. कोई भी ऐसे सोचना नहीं है कि भाई क्या बोलना है. डिप्लोमेटिकली आंसर नहीं करना. You have to be very very on your feet and just answer honestly. So let's have you singing a Gujarati song.
Gujarati. I don't think I know any Gujarati songs.
गुजरात में रहता है, ऐसा कैसे नहीं हो सकता कि तुझे गुजराती सॉन्ग नहीं आता?
I mean, इतने पॉपुलर है नहीं कोई गुजराती सॉन्ग कोई सुनता नहीं.
That means you're not a good Gujarati.
नहीं होगा कोई ना कोई. I mean, I remember a song, but नहीं याद. I don't listen to Gujarati songs as often.
All right. Let's jump on to the next question because we have to make it very very quick. Let's jump on to which is your most Gujarati habit, you would say? कि मतलब ये सबसे गुजराती habit है मेरी.
Actually, I would be the exactly opposite. Like, I'm not at all a Gujarati. I don't identify with Gujarati. I mean, my best friend puts achar in everything, and I think that's pretty Gujarati, but I can't handle it. So something I think it is very Gujarati is कि मैं हर चीज को पापड़ के साथ खाऊं. I mean, कभी मैं पापड़ खा सकता हूँ. I think it is very Gujarati.
Okay, so we have a question in chat where a person is asking रसौड़े में कौन था? Do you have the answer to that?
No one does.
So you should be the right person to answer this question because you are into this business of making memes. Okay, so we have third question for you, which is a favorite meme till date? So अभी तक कोई ऐसा meme जो तूने देखा हो which is like your all-time favorite?
I don't think I have a favorite meme, but of course, Meme Man comes in one of the top favorite memes because of its satire and the sarcasm that it puts. So yeah, the Meme Man should be one of the favorite.
All right, great. Give us one meme-worthy impression. So give us an expression which can be used as a meme.
Okay, I mean, इतना time से awkward ही बैठा हूँ, you could change anything.
तो अगर किसी को भी मीम बनाना हो जस्ट पूरे लाइन में से कोई भी स्क्रीनशॉट लेके ये वाली शक्ल का स्क्रीनशॉट लेके यू कैन मेक लाइक अ वंडरफुल मीम. सो दिस इज योर क्यू टू टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Which meme character is your favorite? So we see a lot of characters. So there is the burning girl, there is the cheating boyfriend. So I said there are a lot of characters in memes. Which one is your favorite?
I guess it has to be SpongeBob's, and इतने सारे memes है उसके. You have to love it, SpongeBob, if you love memes. But honestly, I could get hate for this, but I haven't ever seen it. And I was trying to look for it, but India में कहीं Netflix पे available भी नहीं है. So I'm just waiting for Netflix to release it. So hopefully I'll see it soon.
All right, great. This is a startup related question. So would you want infinite funding or would you want a world-class team?
I mean, both go to hand. I mean, if you have a fantastic team, you would get a infinite funding. So I would choose for the team. So if I have a team that I love working with, I'm pretty sure we can get a great funding together.
Great. So you are going to go ahead with the world-class team and not going to take infinite funding that you are getting.
Yeah.
All right. And the last one would, how would you explain it to your pados wali auntie of what exactly is a meme?
I mean, yeah, that is one hard thing. Even when I'm telling it to my grandparents or something, the thing that what I'm doing is pretty hard to explain. Kar kya raha hai banda? So I think I'll just say कि it's a joke where you take something out of context and make a joke. Yeah,
So
I guess
बस उनको ये लगता होगा that this guy is always sitting on his laptop and doing something. कुछ तो कर रहा है, काम कर रहा होगा बच्चा.
I mean, पहले तो लोगों को लगता था पूरा दिन टाइम पास कर रहा है, फिर दिन धीरे धीरे लगा काम कर रहा है, और सबको लगता है कि अब मैं पूरे दिन काम करता हूँ, कुछ और करता ही नहीं. So that's good for me at least, but no, that's not what happens.
Great. So I would say your performance in rapid fire was all right. It could have been better with more interesting questions, but I think this is good to go for the first, live we are doing actually. So that is good. So let's go ahead and come and look at a couple of serious questions. So as a startup founder, there are a lot of things that a startup founder has to take care of and has to bear in the journey of right from starting till he or she keeps on struggling to raise the startup. So how do you really deal with the hate or the negative comments that you get? Because there would be people who would be saying, यार ये business तो चलेगा ही नहीं, या फिर ये क्या business है, ये कोई business होता है. So there would be a lot of people who would be saying that. How do you really tackle that, or how do you really think of that, and how do you deal with that?
Yeah, so that happens a lot. कि मतलब starting में जब app launch किया था, तब every time someone would give 1 star, तब ऐसे मतलब it would be personally ऐसे बुरा लगता था कि मुझे attack किया. But then, and many people did. Many of our first reviews were 2 and 3 stars. Many people said कि content कम है, किसी ने बोला कि quantity अच्छी नहीं है, किसी ने बोला quality अच्छी नहीं है. So there were negative comments at the very start. So that was demotivating. लेकिन idea पसंद था, and I knew that people like it. And then उस 3 1 star की वजह से जो एक 5 star होता था, that would motivate us कि that we are doing something right. कि at least मतलब every day 400 people come on our app. So यही है कि 400 लोग को हमारे वजह से न्यूज़ मिल रहा है, and they know what's going on because of us. So yeah, that's what keeps me going.
And I will want to tell everybody who's joined in that this has happened only in the period of 2 months. So these guys have more than I think now it is, what are the number of downloads? Last time I checked, it was more than 2,500 downloads. What is the current number now?
We have 4,500 plus downloads. We are hoping to get 5,000 soon. I mean, in a few days.
Okay, so these guys will be crossing 5,000 plus downloads on Google, and it is almost entirely organic. So this has happened only in the past 2.5 to 3 months. So this is how they have been scaling up, and the growth is crazy. So Puru, I would want to tell something else about Puru as well. So Puru is not like the first time founder, or he is not doing something. सबसे पहले इसने बहुत सारी चीजें ऑलरेडी बनाई हैं, and couple of things were very interesting, couple of things picked up, couple of things did not pick up, but I think that was a part of learning. So he has created an app which was a restaurant loyalty app by the name of Enquiry. Then there was a dating app that he created by the name of Port, and now there would be a lot of other things as well that he would have created, and now he's working on news. So Puru, what has been the learning in this entire process? मतलब इतने सारे failures, और फिर उसके बाद this is something that has started picking up. So what has been the learning in the past couple of years?
Yeah, so that मतलब पहले तो I was very confused कि क्या करूँ, क्यों. I mean, there was a point of time where I thought कि startup करना ही नहीं है. It's not my cup of tea. But after this small success that I've got in news, I understood that जो पहले हुआ था वो इसलिए नहीं हुआ था because I never tried. I mean, I used to make the app, I used to give it out to a few people and get some feedback. But after that, there was no real big push that I used to do. News, I went all in and just promoted it like crazy. And I still believe that some of my ideas that I had in the past could work if I just had put a little more effort. And actually now I just got an idea कि जो dating वाला app था, I could convert it into memes. So the people who like same memes, you could just
that's an interesting idea. So somebody who would want to pick it up from the audience can do it.
Yeah. So a future idea for expansion.
And so I'll also want to tell everybody who's joined in that these guys have picked up funding in the 3 months that they have been operating in. So Puru, how does it feel to pick up funding in the initial 3 years you have been operating in, and what is that feeling?
Yeah, so the first time you get the funding, I mean, the chances of getting funding are really exciting, and when you actually land it, it's really great. But then it's sad when it gets used up and you're again you're looking for other investors again. But yeah, it was a great feeling, and मतलब ठीक.
But I would say that this is the ringing bell कि यार अब पैसे खत्म हो गए हैं तो और investors ढूंढो, put in more money, pump in more money, और फिर और growth करो और बढ़ाओ.
Yeah, so I hope some investors have joined this, and I'm.
And crowdfunding campaign भी हम चला सकते हैं. That is not a problem. So we can run a crowdfunding platform, and people can obviously, pump in some money, because obviously you're creating memes for them, which is good for their health. तो एक तरीके से तो उनकी हेल्थ लाइफ लॉन्ग कर रहा है, तो इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं. Great. So this one I would say is a serious question, and people don't really understand of what an entrepreneur goes through, because he or she at a lot of points of time and journey are alone, and they have to deal with a lot of emotions, because they keep on struggling a lot of times. They keep on going through a lot of emotions at every point of time in their entire journey. So would you want to share the last time you cried, or the last time you were angry because of something that was happening wrong in this entire journey, right, till now?
Yeah, so the news has been fortunately a very, I got a fantastic team from the start, so it has been a not so very lonely journey. So this has been good, but before in my previous startups क्या होता था कि I was pretty much alone for the start, and तब you would not want to, I mean, even if you get थोड़े गलत feedback मिल जाए, या even some people think that it's bad, you get pretty low and think that ये नहीं होने वाला, or you pretty much give up on the product totally, and I did pretty many of times. So yeah, it does get hard sometimes, and even right now in news, even after having this fantastic team, even when we have days when the content is low, when we don't have ideas for memes, and those time maybe people would just leave 1 star and say content is low, so that it would affect the morale of the team. But then we pick it up, and next day we try to outdo ourselves.
Absolutely. So it is like a constant journey. There would be some days that would be like amazing, and there would be some days where the users would just thrash you down कि यार नहीं हो रहा है, and there would be a lot of negative feedback that will be there. But I think that is a journey, and that is a part, and that is a thrill of being an entrepreneur, and that keeps on making you grow and making you rush every hour of the day. So that is absolutely upfeel and the part of the entire journey.
So apart from that, as a content startup also, what happens is every day you wake up, you have to make something new. For a simple startup, like if you just make an app, you put it on, you market it, and people use it. But for a content startup, you made the app, you've done everything. Now wake up every day and make some content and put it. So there's a everyday stress कि आज फिर कुछ post करना है, आज फिर कुछ डालना है. The same thing goes on.
And there is always that creative thing you need all the time. So हमेशा को सोचना पड़ता है what is the creative thing that we can do, and there would be hard days जब कुछ भी creative समझ में नहीं आता होगा कि क्या बनाए या क्या डालें. So that is absolutely कि मतलब रोज उठो, सोचो कुछ creative, और रोज creative होके कुछ अच्छा content बना के डालो.
Yeah, and we don't usually take content from other platforms. We try to keep it at the minimum. So what you're seeing here is we are making 20 memes per day every day. So in a span of a month, we'll make like 600 memes, and we are working on it daily. So yes, the content gets low sometimes, but that's what we are working on. Creative हमेशा होना पड़ता है. If one person is low, someone else has to take it up and make more memes that day. And it's a team effort.
Absolutely. It is always a team effort. All right. So we see that a lot of people and young entrepreneurs are joining in. So what advice would you say, being a very young entrepreneur? So what is the advice you will want to give to others as a friend? So क्या करना चाहिए to pick some things up right in the beginning and start their own entrepreneurial journey?
Yeah, so I'm myself a young entrepreneur, so I don't have big wisdom. Lekin the one thing, I'll just share a story. Before I came to Jaipur for my college GCEC to start it, I was planning कि after 12th I will drop out totally. मैंने सोचा college dropouts तो कर ही रहे लोग, मतलब trend बन गया. I'll drop out school and go to Bangalore and do my startup. And then after going to Bangalore, it didn't work out. I went to Bangalore, I thought कि I'll do internships, and then एक दिन idea आ जाएगा and I'll just start up. But it didn't work that way. I did get an internship, but it was a pretty lonely journey because everyone I knew around me were pretty older than me, like 25 plus. So I couldn't really connect with them. And I had to return back after 2 weeks. So this was a pretty low moment for me. But the thing I learned here is कि अगर मैं नहीं जाता बैंगलोर, कि अगर मैं अभी डायरेक्ट कॉलेज में आ गया होता, तो I would be thinking कि अगर मैं बैंगलोर में होता तो क्या जिंदगी होती. So my expectations for Bangalore would be consistent. I would just be regretting my whole. So instead, I'm happy that I did it. I experienced it, and now I know that it was not a good path for me. So instead of regretting my life, I just learned.
Correct. Absolutely. Let's take the last question for the day and for the live. So tell us an instance in your life when you were thinking that you are being put in a box and you just wanted to break that box, and how did you really do that?
Okay. So yeah, I guess the last before joining college in 11th, 12th, this was the same condition where I'm from PCM. So I changed from PCM to commerce, and there was a pretty big change even for my family. And convincing them was pretty easy actually, because they believed in me. So that was easy, but the change was drastic. I mean, getting into something you've never studied before. And when in the 2 years, I didn't like PCM at all. So I actually didn't study anything. So it was इतना बड़ा risk ले लिया था कि अब कुछ नहीं हुआ तो I could fail my boards. And chemistry में 60 जितने आ गए थे, so it was a pretty hard situation. लेकिन I thought कि नहीं करना ये. I mean, I knew that कि PCM is not for me. So I changed, even though it could have gone pretty wrong.
All right, great. And anything that you would want to share with the audience apart from this, whatever we have discussed? So anything special in your entire journey, or what have been your learnings, or any particular anecdote where you thought that I've done this, so that is a very big accomplishment or a success for me?
Yeah, so the biggest accomplishment right now is actually having an app with 100 plus reviews, and many of them are 5 stars, and every time you get that email. So every time someone rates your app, you get an email from Google that someone has rated it app. And whenever you open that email and you see 5 stars, it's a very fulfilling message. And jab bhi matlab, many people write those reviews, and some of them are even long and very they're very supporting. So we have 1,300 followers on Instagram and about 1,700 active users on our app. So all of those, I have the chance to share my memes and my team's memes because of them. And all those who gave the reviews in the very start, जब एक भी review नहीं था, तब they went on and gave a 5 star. Even when the content, starting when we used to just post 3 to 4 memes a day, it was that low. And even then they gave us the 5 stars, and I think we have been going on and we are still working because of those 5 stars.
That's absolutely amazing. So the way you have grown, and I've been seeing and being with you right from the beginning, and the way you have grown is amazing. And I just wish you keep on growing even faster, and you keep on expanding your team, expanding the content, and there are a lot of people that are giving you good reviews, and this keeps on happening. So thank you so much, Puru, for joining in, and thank you everyone else who has joined in and supported us, because this is the first time we have started something like this, and we'll try to bring in more content, and we'll try to bring in more different founders, and we'll try to share stories of those founders and what they have learned and what they're accomplishing in their space. So thank you everyone for joining in. Thank you so much, Puru, and it was lovely talking with you.